I'll take this black velour dress for alteration. I turned it inside out the dress, and put it on myself, pinned it with pins, to the distance that I want to sew in the dress. Cut off the sleeves, we deal with them later. Next, I will make a small sketch of the dress. I want a dress like on AliExpress. I saw it and immediately fell in love, and wanted to make it myself. Therefore, the dress will be as short as possible, but not vulgar. According to the markup that I drew, I make a running stitch. Then, I try it on, and it fits my figure, and I sew it on a typewriter along the line, and cut off the excess fabric on the dress, and go through the overlock. Then, I try it on, and it fits my figure, and I sew it on a typewriter along the line, and cut off the excess fabric on the dress, and go through the overlock. Then, I turn the bottom of the product by 1 centimeter, and fasten it with pins, and also, do it with the top of the dress, and stitch the bottom and top of the back. I sew the bottom of the dress and the top of the back. Next, I make the neckline of the dress. Where I adjusted the dress, you need to pass a little with scissors in order for the fabric to sew well. From the neck of the dress I have such a lining. You can use the lining fabric, and process the chest with a finishing facing. It's time for the sleeves. I took it and did the same manipulation with the sleeves as with the dress. I put it on with pins, fastened it and took it off. Now, I will trace one and the other hand along the line. Sew, and cut off unnecessary fabric. The sleeves are slightly sloping, so I want to align them along the stitch line and cut them. All the sleeves are ready. And the dress is the same.